Hi guys! For today's video ay gagawa tayo ng pattern or another tutorial ng Callia Lily. Okay, so ang gagamitin natin dito sa ating flower is white. Ayan, so ito ay nabili ko lamang sa Shopee worth of 25 pesos. And then, yung ito niya, guys, is ito rin siya, 25 pesos din. And sa kanyang leaf ay green. Yan, nabili ko din sa Shopee. And those are worth of 25 pesos. And ito po guys is milk cotton yarn. So, no further ado, let's start the tutorial. Ang ating first step guys is gagawa tayo ng magic ring. So, ang paggawa ko ng magic ring is paikot lang na ganyan. And then, paikot na ganyan. And by the way, ang ating gagamitin is 3 mm. Okay? So, insert and then grab the yarn. So, yan yung magic ring natin. So, now, maggawa tayo ng chain 1. Okay? And then, sa ating magic ring, guys, gawa tayo ng 10 na single crochet. So, 1. And then, 2. And then, 3. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Ayan. So, after that one is, hugutin natin yung tail to close yung ating row 1. So, after which guys, ang gagawin natin is, insert natin dito sa pinakauna, ayan, mag-slip stitch tayo. So, insert yung hook, and then, grab yung yarn, ayan, so slip stitch na yan. So, next is, chain 2. So, 1, and then, 2. So, on the row 2, ay gawa tayo ng 10 na double crochet and increase. Meaning, gawa tayo dito sa pinakaunang stitch ng dalawang double crochet. So, ikot yung yarn and then insert sa pinakauna and then hugutin ang yarn and then hugutin ang yarn. Ayan. So, again, on the same stitch, insert and then grab and then grab. Ayan. So, ganoon po ang gawin natin on the chain or on the row 2. So, ikot, insert the hook on the next stitch and then hugutin and then hugutin. And then again, ikot and then insert and then grab and then grab and then grab. Ayan. So, gawin lang yun natin guys hanggang matapos yung ating row 2. Okay? Okay, so now, andito na tayo sa pinaka-last. So, same thing, double crochet, so ikot, and grab, and then ikot, and then insert, and then grab, and then grab. Ganyan po kasimple. And then now, ay insert natin yung hook dito sa pinakauna, and then slip stitch na natin. Ayan. So, as easy as that po ang ating row 2. Okay? So, now ay mag-chain 1 tayo. So, chain 1. Ayan. So, on the third row naman, guys, is ang unang gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng 3 single crochet and increase sa 2 beses. So, una, dito, yan, sa pinakaunang stitch. So, insert and then grab. So, now, here, don't forget na maglagay po tayo ng marker para hindi po tayo malito kung saan po tayo nag-stop. Okay? So, second na single crochet. And then, third na single crochet. And dito na sa pang-apat is dalawang single crochet or increase. So, 1 and then 2. Ayan. So, 1, 2, 3, and then increase. Ayan. And then, ang next na gagawin natin guys is single crochet and increase na dalawang beses. Meaning, isang single crochet dito and then double na single crochet on the next. Okay? Yan. So, single crochet and then increase. Ayan. And then, dito naman guys, is gawin natin yung una nating ginawa, which is yung 3 na single crochet and increase. So, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then single crochet. Ayan. And then another one, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then increase. Alright, so ganyan lang kadali ang ating row 3. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, mag-slip stitch tayo dito sa may marker. Ayan. So now, ang step na natin gagawin is mag-chain 1 tayo. So, chain 1. Ayan. And then now is 4 single crochet and increase. So, same stitch. So, 1. Don't forget the marker. And then 2. And then 3. And then 4. And then increase or dalawang stitch sa same or dalawang crochet, dalawang single crochet sa same na stitch. Okay, so dalawang beses natin gagawin. So again, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, ayan, and increase. So 1 and 2 on the same stitch. Ayan. And on the next one is next na stitch, gagawin natin 2 na single crochet and increase. So 1 and 2 and then increase. Dalawang beses. So 1 and then 2 and then increase. Ayan. So, on the next one, same with the, on the start, ay tatlong single or 4 na single crochet and increase. So, again, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. On the next stitch is double or increase. Okay? Next ulit, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then increase na tayo dito. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kadali guys. Ayan. So, yan ang ating row 4. So, next is mag-slip ulit tayo dito. Slip stitch sa ating first na row and then chain 1 tayo. Ayan. To close yung row 4. So, row 5, same with the row 4. Magdagdag lang tayo ng isang single crochet. Ayan. So, madali lang yun guys. So, parehas lang ang ating ginawa dito. So, ang pattern 5 na single crochet and increase. Ayan. And then, again, and the next is 2 single crochet increase. Dalawang beses. So, gawin natin guys para hindi tayo malito. So, 1. Ayan. And then 2. And then 3. And then 4. 5. increase na tayo sa on na next. Yan. And on the next na stitch is single crochet again. And another single crochet. And then increase. So, dalawang beses natin gagawin yun. Okay? So, again, 1 and 2 and then increase. And then here, 3 na single crochet and increase. So, 1, 2, 3, and then increase. Dalawang beses po natin gagawin. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, and then increase. Ayan. So, on the next is 2 na single crochet. So, 1, and then 2, and then single crochet or increase. And then another 2 single crochet, increase. 1, and then 2, and increase. Ayan siya. And after which is 5 single crochet and increase na sa dulo. So, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and increase. So, that is our row 5. So, pag ano na tayo sa ating marker, mag-slip stitch lang tayo. And then, mag-chain 2 na. Okay? So, slip stitch. And then, mag-chain 2 na to start the row 6. So, 1, and then 2. Ayan. Ngayon is 6 na half double crochet and increase. So, paano yun guys? Ikot lang siya. Ayan, ikot. And then, same stitch. And then, hugot ng diretso. So, again, insert. And then, hugot. And then, another one. Ikot. And then, insert. And then, diretso. So, we have 3 na half double crochet now. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo pa ng 3. So, again, ikot. Yan, pang-4 na. Pang-4. Pang-5. And pang-6. Ayan. So, now, on the next stitch naman is 2 half double crochet. So, ikot. And then, insert the hook. Grab the yarn, and then grab the yarn na diretso. Another one, ikot, and then insert, and then grab. Ayan. So, yan ang una nating gagawin. And then now is 3 half double crochet and increase na 2 beses. So, ikot. Again. 1, 2, and then 3, and then increase na half double crochet. 2 half double crochet sa isang stitch. Ayan. So, again, 1, 2, 3, and then half double crochet. 1, 2, on the same na stitch. Ayan. So, tapos na yan. So, ngayon, ang gagawin nating next is 4 na half double crochet and increase. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, 2 beses sa next. Okay. 1 and 2. On the same stitch. So, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, double lang dito sa next one. On the 5th stitch is double, 2 beses na half double crochet. Ayan siya. And, next naman dito is 3.5 double crochet and increase. So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and another one on the 4th, and then another 1, then another 1, then another 1, and then increase on the next stitch. Yan. Diba? Medyo mahaba-haba ang ating pattern for today's video. And dito na sa last is half double crochet na diretso. Ayan. So, again, ay mag-chain 2 tayo. So, slip stitch muna dito. Ayan. So, slip stitch and then chain 2. 1 and then 2. So, ngayon, ang pattern is 7 na double crochet. Okay. So, 7 again. Ikot na ganyan. And then, insert and then hugot ng 2 beses. Ayan. So, 1 and 2 and then 3 4 5 6 7. And then here is 16 na double crochet increase. Meaning, 2 double crochet sa isang stitch ang gagawin natin. 16 po yun. So, be sure na counted.
So, 1, 2, yan. 2 double crochet sa isang stitch. So, bilang tayo ng 16 na dito, guys.
So, now, tapos na tayo sa ating 16 na double crochet increase. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, treble crochet. So, 1, and then 2, and then, insert natin dito sa next na stitch. Hugot ang yarn, and then hugutin ang yarn, and then 1, and 2, and then 3. So, ayan. 2 beses po yung pag-grab natin sa yarn. And then, after which, guys, is chain 4 tayo. So, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Ayan.
Next is slip stitch natin ng 3 beses. So, 1, and then 2, and then 3. Ayan siya.
And then after which, guys, is treble crochet again. So, ikot, ikot. And then insert on the same stitch. And then grab the yarn. And then grab the yarn. And then grab the yarn. Ganyan siya, guys. And then dito naman, gawin natin yung ginawa natin kanina. So, 16 na double crochet increase. And then, after which is 7 na double crochet. So, ayan, andito na tayo sa last. So, isa pang double crochet. Ayan. And then, slip stitch natin dito. And then, yan. And then, cut na natin yung yarn. So, here naman is insert natin or mag-insert tayo ng color green kasi yun po ang ating bag. Okay? So, again, ang gamit natin is milk cotton yarn na 5 ply. Alright? So, in here, gawa tayo ng chain 2. So, magche-chain 2 tayo. So, 1 and 2. And then, 1 na half double crochet. So, 1 half double crochet on the same stitch, or on the first stitch, I mean. And then, another 4 na double or half double crochet. So, again, yan, 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. Ayan. So, we have total of 5 na half double crochet. So, ang gawin natin, mag-chain 1 tayo. Ayan. And then, turn. And then, 3 or 4 na half double crochet na in here. So, again, ikot. And then, ikot. Or grab. 2 or 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. And then, let's put another one para balance. And then, cut na natin yung yarn. There you go. And then, we can sew na in here. Yan ang ating flower, but hindi pa dyan nagtatapos because we will do the pollen.
So, sa ating pollen, guys, ang gagamitin natin is yellow na 5-ply milk cotton yarn. So, ang gagawin natin ay gawa tayo ng magic ring. Ayan, ikot. And then, using our 3mm na hook, insert, and then grab. And then, we will do single or chain 1. Ayan. So, in here, gagawa tayo ng 6 na single crochet inside the magic ring. So, insert the hook, grab the yarn, and then grab the yarn, and then another one. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Yan. So, 2, 4, 6. So, 6 na yung ating single crochet. And then, ngayon, hilain natin yung tail. And then, mag-slip stitch na tayo dito. Yarn. Oops. There you go. And then, another chain 1. And then, single crochet. So, basically, dito guys, is gawa tayo ng 6 na single crochet sa row 2 hanggang sa row 10. Row 10 na ang pagtatapos ng, or row 10 tayo magtatapos, I mean. So, isang first na single crochet. So, bali ang gagawin ko guys is continuous. Hindi na ako mag-chain 1 para mas madali. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ayan. And then, another single crochet na naman. Pero, don't forget guys na baliktarin ang ating pollen para naman maganda-ganda. At saka, mas maganda habang maaga, gawin na natin or baliktarin na natin kasi mahirap magbaliktad pag medyo mahaba na siya. So, gawin na natin yun guys from row 2 to row 10. 6 single crochet na paikot. So, ngayon, nasa last part na. So, or last na row. So, again, single crochet lang siya paikot. 2, oops, 2, and then 3, and then 4, 5, and then 6. So, after which guys, slip stitch lang natin siya and then ikat na natin yung yarn. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, cut na natin yung yarn. Ready for the next step. Ayan.
So, for our leaf, guys, ay gagamit ulit tayo ng milk cotton yarn na 5 ply. Okay? So, mag-chain 20 tayo. So, ikot. And then, slip knot. Ayan. So, after which, ay magagawa tayo ng 20 na. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Ayan. So, ang next na natin gagawin ay magsi-single crochet tayo dito sa second na chain. So, single crochet in here. Ayan. And then, another single crochet. Ayan. And then, half double crochet. Ayan. Half double crochet again. Ayan. And then, double crochet. So, ganyan lang siya. Ikot. Insert. And double. Ayan. And then, dito guys, ay mag-treble crochet na tayo. So, 1, 2. And then, insert. And then, grab. Grab. And then, grab. And then, ikot. And then, grab. 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 And then, grab. So, tatlong beses na yan. So, isa pa. And then, grab. And then, grab. And then, grab. So, another one. 1, 2, and 3. So, bale meron tayong 6 na treble crochet. Ayan. So, ang next natin gagawin, gaya dito sa kabila, ang una is double crochet, dalawang double crochet, ayan, and then half double crochet on the next, another half double crochet, ayan, and then single crochet na on the next, 1, and then 2, and then 3. Ayan. And then now, ay mag-chain 1 tayo. And then, gaya dito, kung ano ang pattern natin dito sa kabila, ay dun din ang pattern natin dito sa kabila. So, ang first natin gagawin, chain or single crochet, tatlong single crochet, and then, dalawang single crochet. So, 1 and 2. Ayan. So, tapos na tayo. So, ngayon guys, is mag-insert na tayo ng ating wire. So, gawin natin ay slip stitch tayo dito sa pinakauna. Ayan. or single crochet, sorry. So, single crochet, ganyan lang siya. Paikot dito sa ating dahon. So, insert natin yung ating wire using single crochet. So, ikot lang yan. Paikot-ikot. Ganyan lang guys. So, kita-kitsa lang tayo pag andito na tayo sa pinaka-tip niya. Kasi, meron pang pattern, another additional pattern bago tayo mag-proceed hanggang dito. So, ngayon nandito na tayo. So, another one. Sa pinaka-tip. Oops. Yan. Ay mag-chain 2 tayo. 1 and 2. Ganyan siya guys. And then, insert natin on the same na stitch. So, ganyan lang. Ayan. And then, another single crochet on the same stitch. Ayan. Okay. So, ganyan lang siya guys. So, medyo iayos nyo lang siya. Yung ating tip ay nasa dulo. So, again, ang ating pattern sa kabila is the same dito. So, single crochet na lang hanggang sa matapos ang ating dahon. So, magkita-kita lang tayo, guys, pagkatapos ng ating pag-insert ng ating wire. So, andito na tayo, guys, sa pinakadulo. So, gawin lang natin is single crochet and slip stitch na. Ayan. And then, cut the yarns. Ayan siya. So, ikot lang siya guys na ganyan. Medyo gandahan naman natin para bongga na. Ayan, so ganyan lang po ang paggawa ng ating petal, ang ating pollen, ang ating bud, and ang ating dahon. So, attach na lang sa stem. Ayan, so meron ako dito, ayan. Meron ako ditong ganyan, na yung sampayan lang, yung nabibili sa hardware, which is mura. So, insert lang na ganyan, and then, lagyan siya lang ng glue gun, and then, dikit na lang na ganyan. Ayan. And then, attach lang natin. Ganda lang pong kadaling magawa ng Kala Lily. Ayan. So cute. Ayan. So, hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video ito. And please don't forget na mag-subscribe, mag-like, and mag-share na rin ng video natin para naman makatulong sa mga iba pang mga beginner ng crochet community. Thank you for watching again, guys. See you on my next one. Bye!